Hello learners. I am into my Power BI desktop. The agenda of this tutorial is to how to publish Power BI report to Power BI service. So as a revision of yours, if you are a beginner or learner, we used to develop Power BI report in Power BI desktop. Now to share Power BI reports to our business users or to our teammates, we need Power BI service. That means app.powerbi.com, right? Now to share it to Power BI service, we need to put this report or post this report to our Power BI service. Before that, you need to be signed up to this Power BI desktop, right? For that, you need school or work email ID. Now, if you are thinking that you are a learner and you don't have work or school email ID, then you may sign in or sign up with your free trial account. So, how will you do that? Free trial account is valid for 60 days. To do that, I have attached a link into my description of this video. You can follow those steps and register your free trial account, right? You need to register that on Office 365. You can follow that account, follow those steps and register it. Then you need to sign in or sign up. So how do you need to sign in Power BI service and sign up? I have attached the link in the description, right? You need to follow that. Now we will be going to publish it over Power BI service. So here I am publishing it. So you need to go to home tab, and there will be you will be finding share option, publish button. So there you need to just click on it, and it will ask you to save it. So you can save it. Post that, it will be displaying one pop-up to you this way. So it will show you a my workspace option, which is your personal workspace. If you don't know it, so I have the playlist where the 3 4 videos I have attached the link of that playlist. You can follow the series like from beginning and then jump to this video, and you can choose the workspace, either the shared workspace or your personal workspace, right? I am publishing it to my personal workspace here, and select. So it will be publishing it to Power BI service. Once it's done, it will show you the success here, right? And it will give you the link to open it. So it will be the link. You can directly open it, or else you can go to your browser, right? So log into app.powerbi.com. I have published it to my workspace, right? So here I will be looking for workspaces. Here your all workspaces will be listed now, and my workspace will also be listed. So choose the workspace which you have published it. So I'm going to my workspace. Here you will be seeing who is the owner of this report, when is this last published or refreshed, right? Now you will be seeing two things. I have published only one thing, but why it is showing two? So the first one is where yellow lines are coming up, vertical lines, this is my report. And where the blue dots are coming up, second one, this is my model, semantic model. Model means the data set we are using it. So without data, how Power BI report will not be able to, Power BI will not be able to showcase the data there, right? So it needs a data set. So along with Power BI report, your data set will also be published. So first is your report, and second one is the data set or the data model, or you can say semantic model. Now go to the first report one. It will load your report. and you will be able to view it, right? And you can read it like this way, uh, by applying filters, right? You can apply filters from here, right? You can just if you want to reset these filters, you have this reset option, right? You can directly reset it from a report inbuilt feature, a Power BI inbuilt feature, or if you want to reset the filters from the report itself, button itself. So I have added this reset slicer option. You can reset it off from here, right? This is how you can view the report, and you can publish the report to Power BI service.